Hey guys, this is Stomper here and welcome back to a brand new video. So you guys are joining me back after a little while, and today we are opening the Elgato HD60 Plus, guys. I am so excited. I've been excited for this for a very long time now. The new upgrade, the new capture card that obviously captures in much higher quality, and it's just, I can't wait to open it. Let's just get straight to it. There we go. So the box I've been waiting for a very long time. I mean, first looks, there's like an air bubble package here. Pretty cool, good to obviously keep the product safe. And there we go, the actual thing. Let me get it out. The Elgato HD60 S Plus. Oh god, this box just like this. Their packaging has just gone to a whole new level, because the one that I opened for the Elgato HD60, it wasn't. I don't remember it being like this. This looks so much more pristine and stuff, and it's really. It looks like it's good quality. And as you can see here, it's got all the stats that I mentioned in my why didn't I upload Last of Us Part 2 video. So it's got a 4K 60 HDR pass-through, so essentially I can play in 4K 60 if my TV allows that. 1080p capture, so you guys can see it in 1080p. USB 3, which allows you to have fast transmissions, as I said, and instant game view, so there's no lag between the two. Yeah, let's just get it open. I'm wearing gloves so as to not get fingerprints on it, because I'm really obsessive when it comes to stuff. So yeah, it's going to be a little tricky. Let me try and open it if I can.
2 hours later.
Whoa, okay, I like that design. So this intertwined, like zigzaggy design. You can see that there. It's pretty cool. Let's open it if I can get it out. Oh, you gonna come out? There you go. Here we go. That's their logo right there. Looks pretty cool, nice and bold in the front. Whoa. Damn. Okay. So this right here is the Elgato packaging, or Elgato product even. So that is a capture card, and those are the accompanied wires, and the full setup is on the front over here. So if you're lost, just follow those. Obviously they've got their website on there, which also has a setup as well, if you don't understand it on here. So this is the HDMI wire. You only get one. So what this does is so essentially a HDMI link, which you guys probably know. If you connect it from your PS4 to your TV, what you're seeing on your PS4 will be on your TV, essentially. So that's what it does. It actually transmits the signal to the TV, so you guys can view it and play your games. And the next one is a USB-C to USB 3.0 cable. So as I said, USB 3.0 has that blue, let me get a bit closer, is that blue sort of like bottom lip. And this is the USB-C, which is kind of new. I think Macs have it, which is why I actually got it. And obviously, the HD60S Plus uses it as well. Alright guys, this is it, the capture card. HD60S Plus, as you see, we've got right here imprinted on the thing, and first looks, it looks amazing, so smooth and sleek. And we've also got this, they've still got that little light bar there to let you know when it's recording and when it's not. Likewise, they've also got the symbol, their logo at the back here, with all the little like information and stuff below here, and this HDMI out cable here, HDMI in here, and then the audio chat link cable, which is so you can hear your teammates if you're playing like Warzone or something like that. And here is the USB-C cable, which will obviously naturally link back over to my laptop. But yeah guys, first looks, it looks great. I would highly recommend this, especially if you're going into making videos and just uploading them to random sites. Especially if you're into gaming as well, this Elgato is the way to go. Alright guys, so I saw in addition with that, we got a little sticker that will obviously look cool. Maybe I can add it on to something, maybe like here, maybe on the side of the little Elgato thing here. So just stick it on the end there, or maybe I can also put it onto my old capture cards. But yeah, either way, it looks really cool. Alright, now to the setting up. I will put up a quick instruction manual on screen right now somewhere here, and it will explain what you have to go through. It's already on the box, so I can just follow that if I've forgotten. But yeah, let's get straight to it. Alright guys, so I couldn't actually record and plug the wires in. I know it looks like a mess of wires right now, but it's really simple if you saw the manual earlier. Essentially what I've done is I've plugged in the USB-C cable to my computer, the USB end of it, and the other end, which is the actual USB part, I've plugged in to my Elgato, so that's the port with the USB-C cable in it. And here is the HDMI in cable, which naturally goes straight to my PS4. So if we follow the right wire around, it comes out here, which is the HDMI in of the PS4. And then the HDMI out of the HD60S Plus goes all the way around that end, back over to my TV. So essentially this is the overall connection. That's pretty much it. However, I did come across a few issues when I started setting this up. It initially said no signal found or no device found, and I wasn't actually sure why. I got a little bit worried. I called not Ubisoft, called Elgato, and they were actually busy. Their opening times in the UK are from 4 in the afternoon to 4 in the morning for some strange reason, but there we go. What I did was, in the end, I took everything out and then replugged everything, and that seemed to make it work. So yeah, if that does happen to you, say you set it up for the first time and it seems to not connect, then I just say disconnect everything and then reconnect it, and it really does work. And just to show you the major difference in the two, we have got the preview screen, which is that, and TV, which is that. So the issue that I had was that there was a bit of lag between the preview and the TV, so the audio wouldn't come through as smoothly. But now, I mean, it's literally perfect, pretty much. If you say you don't have like a monitor or a TV, then I just say buy an Elgato, and if you want to record videos, obviously buy an Elgato and a PS4, connect the two together, and then you can just play off that preview screen there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and please leave a like and subscribe. And if you're interested in buying stuff like this, I've got all the stuff you need in the link in the description below. But yeah, that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all later. Bye!